Welcome to Trainroster. I got something special today. 4 new units for the roster. All Union Pacific locomotives from Scaletrains. Inside this box, one of GE's most iconic designs and one of UP's biggest fleets. Union Pacific doesn't call these ET44Hs. They have their own designation, C45AH. That H at the end stands for heavy. Also upcoming is a -944CW. He bought over 1,000 of these in the 90s. They even have a red frame stripe. That's classic safety paint from back in the day. Let's open up the box here and check out all that bubble wrap. They packed it pretty good, it looks like. What I'm doing now is I'm checking to make sure some small parts attach some of the bubble wrap. Ordered some small things. I want to make sure I don't discard that accidentally. Yeah, they packed it pretty good. Good job. Looks like a couple more pieces. Oh, I see. I think I see a small part there. Check out the invoice. It looks good. These are 2.8 ohm speakers. They're DS1240s. I love these things. I have so many installs with these things. Not the heaviest bass, but it does provide some. And they're small enough to fit in any HO. I'm going to be putting these into projects I have coming up: stair lights, class lights, ground lights. So if you want to see that, just click the like and subscribe, and you'll be notified when I start those. So here's our first locomotive, C449W. Employee plaque. Can't wait to review and grade that one. Now I do believe the next 3 here, including this one, is hypotypical. That means there's probably some nuances, not exact prototype, some similarities, some Liberty changes at some point, which I think is kind of cool actually. There's the second one, Tier 4 Gevo 2784. This first one's these hypotypical that I've required. I've worked on some, just never acquired them myself. And the last one, 2793. So I think that's going to be it. Remember, I got some upcoming projects. 2 of them queued. You see the speakers there. I'm going to be putting in a lot of lighting upgrades. I do believe there's some older Atherans going to be doing some airlines, MU hoses, a lot of custom work, a lot of DCC. So if you're interested in programming and speed matching and that kind of thing, definitely hit that subscribe and like, because of what I will be doing is from here on out I'm going to be recording every single thing that I do. There's a lot. So I got some exciting installs coming up. Let me know in the comments which locomotives from today that you'd probably like to see. If there's anything in unboxing that caught your eye, I would sure appreciate the comments, and I really appreciate you watching. Until next time.